Right when the money. I think it was still good. I have a rear tire to put on it. I really want to find the fucking. Should put up the fucking sand again. I really want to find the solid wheel because I'm tired of spokes and fucking tubes and all that whole shit. Yeah. I want a soft tail solid wheel. Man, that fucking tube fucked up my fender. It was cracked already, but the fucking fender went in here. I mean, the tube went inside. Like, I had to pull that bitch out. The lights still work. I might just leave it like that for a little while.